Hello, good morning. There's half a gallon, and I'm going to show you some things that you can put in it so that you don't have to use soap, which can often mean that you need to get soapy and then rinse off. But sometimes we don't have that luxury, and I think this might be how people did it a long time ago. This is for when you don't have a lot of water, but you still want to wash up every day. I have a good amount here. That's pretty good about it. But I'm going to show you a couple things. Ready? First thing I put in my bath is, let me get it, bring it up here. First thing I put in is a couple of drops of tea tree oil, because tea tree oil is, let me see if it says it on here. Anyway, it is antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-everything. So this is a good one to keep in your arsenal. And this is, I put like three drops in there. That's plenty to a half a gallon. And then also the other thing I use, usually don't use perfumey stuff. I usually use plain Epsom salt, but this is what I have this time because I wanted to try the coconut. Love coconut. Sorry. And so let's put one of those in. That's a little bit big, but I put one of those in. And then I just swish it around a little bit till it dissolves in there. I'm staying at a place where I can't really drain water out, so to take a shower back there like I normally do by opening both of my back doors and putting a curtain, I don't want to do that here. So now it's time to brush my teeth. I use a little bit of baking soda. This one has chives, horsetail ground up, and salt in it. Annie made me this. Thank you, Annie. Go see her at Despite the Pavement. Despite the Pavement. I'm going to leave that in the comment section. These are my products that I use. The Dr. Teal's. That's the Epsom salt. Tea tree is about $2 or $3 in Walmart. In the hair section you could find this big bottle, but I get this at any nutritional store or anywhere that has, you should use good ones if you can. I use no aluminum in my deodorant, and I take multivitamin every day. I also take a fish oil every day for omega-6, and that's healing for your skin. This is what I use for my hair products. This is Arctic Fox purple, and sometimes I mix in some blue or some, this is what I have right now, pink, but I don't usually use this brand. I usually use the Arctic Fox because it's vegan. Here's my toothpaste. I put it in an old jar. That's the baking soda. And then I have this from my friend. This is, yeah, creosote, and it's an oil salve. Well, I put this on my knees and my feet every day. And for everything else, I use this homemade soap with essential oils and oatmeal. And I'll use this to wash my hair. Have a great day, y'all.